Okay, then. Matt, I don't want to swing you. Owie! Hey! Hello. You know something? Before you bite me, I'm going to back you up. Come back. Back up. Then come back. Then back up. Then come back. Then back up. Ow. Come on, let go.
He ain't gonna let go. He ain't letting go.
He's bouncing. He's happy. Let's go! Ah!
He's saying no. He ain't letting go.
He shook his head no. Guess what? Give it! Up, 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 up. Owie! Hey! Ow!
You're fine. No.
Ow! You like doing that? You like doing that? You like doing that? You like doing that? Damn it, Tommy! Whoa! Hey, you flew! Did you see that? I can lift up over the ground. Max?
What are you doing wrong?
Ow! Ah! I'm trying to make him let go while he's trying to make me.
Yeah?
Damn it, Tommy! Damn it! Tommy, so I can give it a toss. He said, no. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Why not? Aw. Oh, no. Ha-ha. Ha-ha. What the heck is wrong with this?
He wants the toy.
I can make them fly.
No, you can't make him fly. You're just picking him up.
It's weird.
No.
Give it.
He wants the toy.
Give it up. You will never have the toy. Okay, you can have it. This might not be new news to you, but I lied. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me! I got it!
I'll throw it now then. Since you said you were going to throw it, throw it.
I won! Yes! Yes! Even though he won 3 times! Yes!
The morning this morning, confirmed the Danish residents.
Give it to me, give it to me.
So what I need from each and every one of
I'm
you
teaching that
is to be
trick.
incredibly honest. Let's talk about what's wrong with the restaurant.
No. Really?
What this place needs.
You won't give up, will you?
We need to build in the menu, we need to build in beautiful.
And let him play with it by himself now for a little bit.
Okay.
Then he'll bring it to you whenever he wants to play some more.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it a little. Yes, I am.